Today, I'm sharing 15 powerful DIY wall painting ideas that are simple, budget-friendly, and trending in modern homes. Some ideas are perfect for beginners, some add luxury vibes, and some are specially for small spaces. So watch till the end, because the last idea can visually double your room size. 1. Accent wall, one wall, big impact. An accent wall is when you paint only one wall in a bold or darker color while keeping the other walls light. This creates a strong focal point and adds depth to the room. It's best used behind a sofa, bed, or TV unit because it naturally attracts attention. Dark green, navy blue, burnt orange, or deep gray are popular choices. This idea is perfect if you want a designer look with minimum effort and cost. 2. Two-tone wall painting. Simple but stylish. Two-tone walls divide the wall horizontally into two sections using two different shades. Usually, the lower part is darker and the upper part is lighter, which makes the room look taller and well-balanced. You can separate the colors using painter's tape or a thin white line for a clean finish. This style works beautifully in living rooms, kids' rooms, and stair areas. 3. Geometric pattern walls. Modern energy. Geometric wall designs add movement and creativity to boring walls. Using painter's tape, you can easily create shapes like triangles, diamonds, or random lines. The key is not to use too many colors. 2 or 3 shades are enough. This idea is great for modern homes, study rooms, or feature corners and gives an artistic, Instagram-worthy look. 4. Ombre wall effect. Soft and relaxing. Ombre walls blend one color from dark to light smoothly. This creates a calming and stylish effect. You can use one color in 3 shades and blend them using a roller or brush. Ombre walls are best for bedrooms because they feel peaceful and visually soft. Even if the blending isn't perfect, it still looks creative and unique. 5. Texture look using rollers. Luxury on budget. Textured walls add richness, but real texture paint can be expensive. Special texture rollers can create fabric, stone, or floral patterns using normal paint. This technique adds depth and shadow to the wall, making it look premium. It's ideal for drawing rooms, TV walls, or entry areas. 6. Half-painted walls. Minimal and trendy. Half-painted walls mean painting only the lower or upper half of the wall. This design looks clean, modern, and very stylish. It's especially good for small rooms because it doesn't overwhelm the space. Neutral colors with soft contrast work best. This idea is very popular in modern apartments. 7. Arch-shaped paint design. Soft and elegant. Painted arches add a soft and stylish touch without construction work. You can paint an arch behind a bed, mirror, or study desk to define that area. Earthy shades like beige, clay, or olive green look best. This idea adds character and gives a custom interior look. 8. Striped walls. Visual illusion trick. Stripes are not just decorative, they change how a room looks. Vertical stripes make ceilings look higher, while horizontal stripes make walls feel wider. Use soft contrast colors so the wall doesn't look too busy. This trick is very useful for small bedrooms and narrow spaces. 9. Sponge painting, warm texture feel. Sponge painting adds a soft, cloudy texture to walls. You dip a sponge lightly in paint and dab it gently on the wall. This technique works best with neutral or pastel shades and adds warmth and depth, making plain walls feel more inviting. 10. Chalkboard paint wall, creative and useful. Chalkboard paint turns a wall into a reusable writing surface. It's great for kitchens to write notes, menus, or reminders. It also works well in kids' rooms or home offices. This idea adds personality and makes the wall interactive, not just decorative. 11. Color blocking, bold modern statement. Color blocking uses bold color sections to create a modern artifact. This style works best when furniture is simple, so the wall becomes the main highlight. It's perfect for creative people who want their home to feel unique and expressive. Stencil art, detailed without stress. Stencils allow you to create detailed patterns easily. You can use floral, traditional, or modern designs depending on your home style. This idea looks very elegant when done in subtle colors and works great for bedrooms, prayer rooms, or accent walls. Metallic touch, small detail, big luxury. Metallic paint adds shine and elegance when used carefully. Gold, copper, or bronze accents look best when applied in lines, borders, or small shapes. Avoid overuse. Just a little metallic touch can make the wall feel premium and stylish. 14. Wall and ceiling color connection, designer trick. Most people ignore ceilings, but connecting wall colors slightly onto the ceiling creates a modern flow. This design makes rooms feel intentional and well-planned. It works especially well in bedrooms and lounges with soft, neutral tones. 15. Paint illusions for small spaces, must-watch idea. This is the most important idea for small homes. Using light colors, vertical designs, and soft gradients can make a room feel bigger and brighter. Light shades reflect more light, creating an open and airy feel. This trick is perfect for apartments and budget homes. These were 15 DIY wall painting ideas that can completely transform your home using just paint and creativity. Tell me in the comments which idea you liked the most. And if you want a step-by-step DIY video on any design, like, share, and subscribe for more smart home decor ideas, because beautiful homes start with smart choices. Thanks for watching you.